Hello everyone and welcome on Be Successful, your favorite development channel. The place you always leave smarter than you came. If you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel in order to help the YouTube algorithm to share this quality information to other people as well. In today's video, we will show you in few simple steps how to create a phantom wallet which works on Solana blockchain. That being said, it means that every time we need to withdraw from the wallet or deposit to the wallet a token, we are going to use Solana network. Using another network will result in the permanent loss of your coins. Be very careful when you transfer your coins. When you make any transfer, we recommend you to send a small amount of money at first and check if it worked. Once the tokens has arrived and you have the confirmation of doing the entire transaction right, you can send the rest of them. Let's create our wallet now. First step is to type on Google, Phantom Wallet. Go to the first link of the search results and click on it. If you want to be sure it's the right link, you can also find it in the description of this video. Now, go to Download, Phantom for Desktop, and select Google Chrome or any other browser that you use. Once you press on it, you will be able to see this screen. Click on Add Extension and wait for it to download. Once the downloading is completed, press on Create a new wallet. Here, you need to create a password which will allow you to open your wallet on the respective device. Have in mind that the password you set up is only for the computer you're using now and cannot use it to access your wallet from another device. In order to do that, you will need to set up another password for that new device. Once you create your password, your secret recovery phrase will show up. This is very important. You need to write down on a piece of paper those 12 words and keep it safe. Make sure only you and your chosen persons have access to it. Now you can press Finish. Your wallet extension is in your Google Chrome browser, as you can see. In order to open it, you just need to click on the icon, and here we go. You've just created your Phantom wallet. This is very important, and I'd like to highlight it to you. In case you lose your secret recovery phrase and you forget your password from the wallet, your tokens are lost forever. There is no other way to access it. Also, keep in mind that in order to access your Phantom from another device, for example, from your phone, you will need this recovery secret phrase as well, in order to import your wallet details to your new device. With all these being said, I hope our video was helpful and you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments below what other wallets you are interested in, and we are going to make a video about it. Until next time, bye-bye.